Minister Joseph Harmon says the government is on a mission to upgrade the nation's infrastructure. Details from Paul McAdam.
The minister was speaking at a community meeting at the Silver City Secondary School in Linden. The meeting heard from residents of Linden, Ituni, and Kokwani. The minister assured that concerns raised will be addressed. According to Minister Harmon, public infrastructure is a serious matter locally. He recalled that Guyana had to grapple with a lot of challenges following the 1966 independence move. The situation, he said, is the same today.
We are now in a new type of independence because after 23 years of the PPP, we are recovering from years of neglect. These things that happened last week or last month, but you are our responsibility. And I want to assure the people of Linden that we are going to take your concerns. We are going to take your concerns seriously and address them.
Responding to concerns raised by residents of Ituni regarding their main access road, Minister within the Ministry of Public Infrastructure, Annette Ferguson, said that the ministry has collaborated with the Regional Democratic Council to commence work on the road. However, the rainy season has delayed this project.
With the collaboration of the region, we will have started some amount of work on maintaining that stretch of road. But in situations like this, when the weather is upon us, sometimes it's difficult for us to undertake the necessary works.
The minister recalled that in 2016, job opportunities for Ituni's youths were created through the community-organized Restore the Environment, or CORE project. The meeting is among several scheduled to meet and interact with residents of communities countrywide. Paul McAdam for InfoHub.